Think about the digital footprint of a modern organization. It operates across dozens, sometimes hundreds of different systems. Finance has its software, HR has theirs, and project managers use entirely separate tools. It is a massive network, but the pieces rarely speak the same language. You end up with crucial operational data locked inside an ERP, client relationships stuck in a CRM, and the vital context explaining both buried somewhere in a SharePoint folder. For years, the standard solution to this chaos has been the executive dashboard, an attempt to force all these disconnected streams onto a single screen. But a dashboard only provides visibility. It shows you exactly what happened yesterday or last quarter, but it rarely explains what those numbers mean or what to do next. The actual interpretation, answering the so what, is left entirely up to the person staring at the chart. This creates a constant cycle of enterprise amnesia. When leaders make critical calls, the decisions immediately become disconnected from the raw data, the budget constraints, and the risk profiles that originally shaped them. And when those key people move on to different roles or leave the organization entirely, the underlying rationale walks out the door with them. A new chart won't fix this. To actually use the information it already has, an organization needs an operating layer designed specifically to connect the pieces that were never built to talk to each other. This is the purpose of VEECORE. It is an enterprise intelligence operating system, a coordinating layer that sits quietly above your existing software. You don't have to rip out the tools your teams already know how to use. At its foundation, VEECORE silently ingests the APIs, event streams, and data feeds from across the entire organization. All of those disconnected inputs are fed directly into a central knowledge graph. Here, the system algorithmically maps the hidden relationships between isolated data points. A standalone budget figure is suddenly tied directly to the specific project it funds. Then, the graph links that project to its active risk register and traces those risks all the way up to overarching corporate compliance policies. Through this continuous mapping, raw inputs are transformed into a tight relational network. The data now has context that can actually be explained and understood. Mapping the data is the first step, but a system also has to remember it. VEECORE introduces a concept called institutional memory. Institutional memory captures a project's entire context, decisions, approvers, and lessons learned as unified evidence. Every record operates under strict role-based access control. This governance grounds AI agents in verified evidence, not hallucinated guesses. The organization gains a durable, searchable brain. The reasoning behind every major move is captured precisely as it happened, ready to be reviewed or reused years down the line. This underlying context bubbles up to the executive command center, showing live health gauges and project portfolio bars. The system automatically surfaces specific budgets, risks, and projects requiring immediate attention today. Leaders can click any warning to instantly trace metrics down to the raw evidence. That end-to-end governance guarantees that the intelligence reaching the executive team is accurate, auditable, and ready to be acted on. To operate effectively at scale, organizations need a single, governed core. True enterprise intelligence requires a system that seamlessly connects memory to decision to action.